Hi again, I'm Alexander Kozhenkov from GridGain Control Center team. In this video we will talk about snapshots. I personally had data loss twice. One time was not enough to learn a lesson. So we all know that backups are a highly important part of any database. And for Apache Ignite there are two such ways. The naive way is to do a backup of the entire persistent storage to another directory. But in this case you have to stop a node to save consistency. So there is a better way called snapshots, which guarantees consistency and can be done under high load. Let's get started. First of all, we have to enable the snapshot plugin in the GridGain configuration file by adding these properties. You can find more information about the setup in the documentation on the website. Now let's open Control Center SQL tab and create some data. I've prepared a SQL script for it. Here we are creating a simple cache with 3 columns, ID, name and age, then insert 5 rows into it and just select the last state of the cache. Data is added. Now we can create a snapshot. The first snapshot has to be full, and we can select the compression level and which caches should be included. Here on the main table we see the list of snapshots, which caches they contain, their types and so on. At any time we can check if a snapshot is valid. Now let's add 5 more rows in our cache, so that we can create an incremental snapshot. Incremental snapshots store only difference from the previous incremental or full snapshot. Thus, we don't need to backup the entire cache data again. And actually I want to create a snapshot of another cache. In Control Center, we can also select all related snapshots to find the full chain of them. Now let's assume that someone accidentally deleted all the odd rows. I remind you that we had 10 entries in the cache. And let's try to restore the state of the latest snapshot. Done. And let's check the data now. We had 10 entries again. Cool. So, using snapshots with Control Center is extremely simple, and you don't need to go to other nodes via SSH to run commands explicitly. Snapshots are one of the exclusive features available in the Ultimate Edition of GridGain. The Ultimate Edition is designed for mission-critical product deployments and includes many other cool features, such as a rolling upgrade that we will talk about in the next video. Do you have any horror story about the data loss? Please write in the comments, I would love to hear about. Hope you enjoyed, thanks for watching.